Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video guys, I will teach you on how to run our Laravel project in command line. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. To run our Laravel program, we simply type PHP Laravel surf. When we press enter, it will okay, sorry. So we type the command PHP artisan surf. It will run our server, so we just copy this one, the link, and then in this example our route is hello view, no? We open the browser, let's say Firefox, paste /hello view, press enter. It will display hello world, welcome to Laravel by Jake R. Pomperada. So when we go here in our Visual Studio Code, the server is running. Again, to run Laravel application, simply type PHP notepad. Sorry. Again, to run the Laravel application, we simply type in the command line PHP artisan surf. Okay, so when we stop the server by Control C, and then when we refresh, it will generate an error. Again, we open a new tab. It's supposed to be it will generate an error. However, it is already cached, so it will not generate an error. Okay, so that's it guys. I hope that you have learned something new in this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.